SMMT stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is Summit Therapeutics stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. I'm the only person in this space with a 45,000 video track record, and it's only those last 5 years that I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors. We've documented it all, you know, trying to figure this stuff out. With Summit, I've had like a higher time for bullish idea that I called out, and I've been just sort of rolling the wave with this. Here's the video when it was made. It was $18 at the time, and it was made like 2 months ago, right? Like 31st of May. And then since then, the price slowly but surely started freaking pumping since June. And if you ask me what I'm looking to do, I don't think it's even more clearer than this. It's a beautiful demand zone, and all that's left is just the price giving me a double break. I know pre-market is a bit lower, which is great, honestly. I like that, but in order for me to pull the trigger on this potential long, is the confirmation must be met. Could it happen today? Could it happen tomorrow? We'll see. That's why I'll keep you updated. And therefore, if you want to stay tuned, let me just do this. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, just click the first link in the description, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.